are making baby-led weaning muffins for Ibiza today. We're gonna do banana raspberry muffins with no added sugar, oils, and yeah, stand by. Let's take a look at what the ingredients are. Here we have, let me come a little bit closer. 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/3 of a cup of toddler milk, Little Oak Company goat's milk. Oh no! 1 cup of applesauce. I will be putting into the wet blend 1/2 a teaspoon of the vanilla, 1 egg, 2 bananas. I would prefer for them to be more ripe than this actually. And that's it. And there you have it, guys, baby-led weaning banana raspberry muffins. Make sure you always speak to your doctor before changing or adding to your baby's diet. And if you liked what you watched, please make sure to subscribe, like my video, comment below, and always monitor your baby while they're eating.